common problem with charts is making them exactly the same size. When they're not next to each other, it's not a problem. But when you put them on a dashboard next to each other, you can suddenly see where they're not quite the same. So one way to do this is if I click on any chart, I can right click and say format the chart area, for example, or under design in format, you'll see there's a size section there. I'm just going to go this way rather and click on size. So the way to make all these charts the same is you'll see here's the height and width. Ideally what you do is you note what they are. So you'll see this is 7 centimeters by 12.15. If that's the one we want, then I must click on here, go to the size, and make it 7 by 12.15. And so we can go through each of these and change the size to exactly be what we want. So that's if you want to do it individually. If you want to change them all at the same time, what you can do is you can click on the first chart, and then I'm going to hold my control key down and click on all the charts that I want to resize. So what you'll see is when you're in this option, the only thing you can do is format the shape, and you'll see we've got size, height and width. So it looks like these anyway are all 7 centimeters. But what we can do is we can either do it manually. So as I do that, everything moves at the same time. So for example, it looks like it's all disappeared, but I can get then to my 12.15 and maybe make all of those 7. And what that does is it allows it to be all grouped to be exactly the same size. Just be careful whether you have this on or not, because that can affect how it actually works.